Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play against your friend in kickoff mode. First, ensure both of your controllers are properly connected and recognized by your system. From the main menu, simply navigate to the Play Modes tab. Then, select the Kickoff option to start setting up your friendly match. It's a straightforward process to get you and your friend into the game quickly, ready for some exciting football action right away. Next, it's time to pick your favorite teams. Each player will select their preferred club or national squad from the extensive list available. After that, you will assign yourselves to either the home or away side. You can also adjust various match settings, such as the half-length, stadium, and difficulty level, to create the perfect friendly game experience for both of you. There are many options to explore for a customized match. With your teams chosen and settings adjusted, the game will automatically assign controllers to each player. Just make sure your controller is correctly linked to the side you selected, whether you are playing as home or away. Once both players are completely ready, simply press the designated button to kick off the match. You'll be on the pitch, competing against your friend in no time, ready for some exciting football action to begin. Now that you are playing, enjoy the friendly competition. You can choose a classic match with standard rules or experiment with fun house rules like no rules or mystery ball for a truly different experience. Local multiplayer offers a fantastic way to challenge your friends and create memorable moments right there on the same screen. Have fun scoring goals, making great plays, and celebrating victories together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.